Batangas State University or BAT State U is the Philippines National Engineering University by virtue of Republic Act No. 11694 enacted on April 11, 2022. Established in 1903 as the National Engineering University committed to develop leaders in the global knowledge economy, part of our purposeful mandate, BAT State U continuously provides world-class academic training to young Filipinos in all specialized areas. BAT State U also strives to be a leader in the creation of useful information, innovation, and technology to create the necessary higher-order technical skills. It performed its duty as a public service university by offering a wide range of volunteer, community, and public service opportunities, as well as academic and technical support to the public sectors, private industries, and civil society while upholding its high standards. BS Computer Engineering at Batangas State University is committed to regularly undertake extension services, with the goal of imparting knowledge and acting as an avenue for establishing an institution's presence in the community. From its humble beginnings, the Batangas Regional Hospital has metamorphosed into the premier tertiary government hospital in the whole Region 4A. Excluded from the devolution wave that swept through the country's health system upon the enactment of the local government code, the hospital remains under the direct supervision of Region 4A Calabarzon Center for Health Development of the Department of Health.
The BS Computer Engineering conducted a training workshop on Google Workspace for employees of Batangas Medical Center. A 3-day session on using Google Workspace was held. This will make easier for BAT-MC to collaborate using Google Workspace. Everyone of the BS Computer Engineering faculty served as a facilitator for the aforementioned session. Introducing the iStorm, flood and storm surge monitoring device for Santa Rita Playa was implemented as a flood and storm surge monitoring device intended to have a warning system for the residents of a specific barangay.
Computer Engineering Program and Master of Science in Computer Engineering conducted a training seminar entitled Advanced Computer Literacy for Langilan Senior High faculty and staff. BAT State U has developed academic relationships with numerous universities around the world over the years, focusing on a variety of areas of collaboration, including faculty and student exchange programs, international internships, research partnerships, joint conferences and seminars, joint curriculum development, sharing or exchanging of information and resources, staff development, community outreach, and invitations to events.
The CDIO initiative is a cutting-edge educational model for developing the following generation of engineers. The National Engineering University at Batangas State University participated actively in the aforementioned organization. To strengthen academic cooperations in various marine-related areas, Batangas State University, the Philippines National Engineering University, further expands its international linkages as it seals partnership with the Indian Maritime University or IMU on the 9th of November 2022. The ceremonial signing of a Memorandum of Understanding formalized the collaboration between the two institutions, which was started by the Indian Embassy in the Philippines, headed by His Excellency Shambhu S. Kumaran. On December 5, Professor Anuradha Ranasinghe from Liverpool Hope Academy in the United Kingdom spoke at Batangas State University, the NEU Pablo Bourbon campus about haptic perceptions in robotics. She explained guided haptics, miniaturized haptic-based sensors, and major difficulties in the field, such as vision-touch interactions, emotional touch, and its applications, all of which are motivated by the notion that robotics is inclusive and interdisciplinary. After signing a Memorandum of Understanding with Banso de Halparaya Rahabat University or BSRU on January 9, Batangas State University, the National Engineering University, increased its dedication to internationalization even further. Dr. Lin Magaima, President of BSRU, and Dr. Tirso A. Ronquillo, the President of BAT State U, the NEU, oversaw the ceremonial signing of the Memorandum of Understanding, which represents the partnership between the two universities in academic cooperation. These activities include carrying out educational, research, and community services, such as creating joint research, publications, seminars, and conferences, exchanging faculty, staff, and students for both short and long-term periods, and carrying out cultural events. After a Memorandum of Understanding was signed on June 29, 2022 between Batangas State University and University of Lille in France to improve academic and research collaboration, Batangas State University expanded its international links and alliances. The agreement addresses academic collaboration through faculty and student exchange for the purposes of teaching, consulting, research and education, collaborative research initiatives, and other mutually advantageous activities.
Batangas State University, the National Engineering University, places a high value on research because it allows for a more extensive educational experience that allows higher education institutions, or HEIs, to explore the effects of applying new thought processes through study and testing. The Liberica Plant Health Aerial Detection U-9 or LIFAD research work is presented by the BS Computer Engineering students. They took part in the Engineering Innovation Challenge, a science competition held in Singapore last September 2022, with the goal of educating and inspiring students about the role of engineering regarding energy conservation. Dr. Alvin S. Alon works in the Department of BS Computer Engineering. He oversaw the potential of AI Aquaponics 360 team, which most recently triumphed at the Singapore-based Engineering Innovation Challenge last 2022. This accomplishment made the front page of some networks including GMA7 and Net25.
In terms po nung problem talaga in world problem, we are really lagging on the food sustainability. So that's why naisip po nung team na gumawa ng isang system that will really help the traditional farming into this one. It's different right now in our university because we are really looking into the gaps and issues ng mga different industry here in the Philippines. And luckily, yung aquaponics is meron rin kaming partner na industry, and at the same time, we've joined them into the competition. So it's hitting two birds in one stone yung aming idea onto this one. Just like what I mentioned po kanina, yung sinabit po namin na project, it's just only a small scale. But in reality, we are already applying it with a partner industry. Yeah, it's coordination with the DUSC also.
Our computer engineering students engaged in several local and international research studies. They presented at the International Conference on Decision Aid Sciences and Applications, which took place at Mae Phoa Long University in Chiang Rai, Thailand, both virtually and in person, from March 23 to 25, 2022. Also, they gave presentations at Ascend 2022, the annual student conference for engineering and technology, which took place virtually at Batangas State University on June 9 and 10, 2022. BS Computer Engineering is one of the degrees offered by the College of Engineering, headed by Dr. Renato A. Gamboa, College Dean of the COE Department. The program is headed by Engineer Rick Mart V. Garbin as the Department Chair of Electrical Engineering, along with the Program Chair of Computer Engineering, Dr. Jen Alduin Delmo. The BSCPE program is supported by professional and skilled faculty members, guests, and foreign lecturers.
After graduation, I started as a computer programming instructor at AMA Computer Learning Center, and then the following year I worked with Batangas State University in the BIT in Computer Engineering program, and then following my teaching stint, I started a small software development company in Batangas City, which later became Vertify Philippines. Currently, I am a cloud automation manager in Makati, and our team is responsible for doing provisioning cloud resources and cloud operations and software testing automation.
My work as a software architect involves a lot of problem solving to improve the quality of manufacturing output. Once I get the solution, I need to translate it to a working software. It requires some advanced math for writing codes for statistical functions and trends, data analytics, and machine learning. I learned those skills during my college years, especially the computer programming and problem solving.
As a senior DevOps engineer, we're dealing with computers, we're dealing with cloud providers, we're dealing with applications, with software development. We are responsible in maintaining and making sure that our applications are available. Our clients are banks in Australia and in New Zealand. So most of our deployments are in cloud, specifically in AWS. So in terms of AWS, we have different services that we're using. We're using EKS, it's Kubernetes, it is RDS for database servers, EC2 for our worker nodes, Lambda for our serverless deployment. We're responsible with CI/CD, automated deployments. We're also using different scripting like Python, what else? Bash, PowerShell.
As a computer technician. So I started there as not really a computer technician. It's more of my position is a programmer, but more of my task is, whenever there is no software to create, then I'm doing some technical stuff. As a developer, so then I become a senior developer. Then now I'm a senior consultant. So a senior consultant is a trusted advisor for a customer. So we have different customers all over the world, and I'm catering different projects that is related to technology.
I currently work as a senior solutions developer at Base Method Incorporated in Canada. I work in a work-from-home setup. Yes, my current work is related to BS Computer Engineering. Base Method Incorporated provides planning, management, and delivery services for information technology to achieve strategic organizational objectives. The company's services are delivered by resources that provide industry, technology, and strategy experience to ensure initiatives meet organizational expectations. As a senior solutions developer, I am responsible for software development projects for various clients, which includes application development, testing, and deployment. As part of Base Method's software development team, I am also involved in any internal software development projects and client support, which includes research and development for any existing technologies that the company might be using in the near future.